Yeah, but this is something you'll find even in so many city schools. So it's not just city schools because being a small town.
Yeah, in fact, Udayan Patel was the guy who told me that he's from Xavier's. Yeah? He says, my own school is installing it. That this was about 7 years ago. Yeah?
Plus, of course, the questions which you hint at. There's 9.5 lakhs been spent on this. There's so many more cameras coming up, so much money. Do they have toilets? Do they have water? Do they not? And stuff like that. So one makes you wonder. Really makes you wonder. So I think, we'll just open it up to the audience.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about how you settled on this topic, how you learned about it, how you
I have to thank television for that. I was sitting at home alone watching some news. So there was something like a magazine format, the Ajeebo-Gharib Duniya. So Aisa Bhi Hota Hai kind of thing. So there was this little snippet. This was about a 1 minute news item. And I just saw it and I found it very, very quaint and I would say disturbing. I really found it quaint. So I shared it with a couple of friends. And what surprised me was that some of them had a completely different point of view. I mean, which is perhaps the reason why I thought, this may merit a film. And the more I discussed it with friends, the more I found it an absolute issue to be made into a film. But most importantly was also something that some people who are involved in the field of education, at whatever level, they are teachers, they are counselors, they also spoke of other types of surveillance that happens, especially much later I was to realize that even Tendulkar's paper spoke of the same thing when he talks about growing up in a school in Pune, a very, very well-known school called Nutan Marathi Vidyalaya, NMV. And he said that maybe we didn't have cameras, but we had teachers. There would be 4 teachers who would be given the task of going past the classrooms, checking the students, then checking whether they are disciplined or not, this, that and the other. So now where does the difference lie? So this also emerged perhaps after my talk with Tendulkar. I felt that here the difference is that you begin on a note of mistrust. Yeah? You can begin on a note of mistrust, and I see a lot of mistrust in this film. So that is also perhaps one of the motivations. I've answered more than a question, I know that. That's where it began, through just one television clipping, but then you just meet a couple of friends and so many people give you so many ideas. So that's the way it just took off. And just one more thing about this mistrust, you find it very strange when you look back at the film. Let's take something like sound. So you'll find that all the time the children are asked to shut up, actually. All the time, when they are being themselves. And when there are moments of psychophancy where, bouquets are being exchanged, and then they are being reprimanded for not clapping hard enough, So, they'll find these contradictions throughout the happenings in this school. So that is also perhaps not really similar.
So, after finishing movie, did you show this movie to the principal and other staff?
No, I have not shown it to him, but he knows of the film.
So, no, I was asking because they'll look at it as a third-person view at the whole, and I just wanted to know if you show how they will react to it.
So 2 of our film institute mates had very, very conflicting points of view on this issue. One of them told me very sincerely that you have made a good film, but don't go to Nagpur again. Whereas the other friend, who was more practical, he said, you must go to Nagpur, you'll send at least 10 copies of the film, to the principal himself. Because he, I'm sure, must be so full of himself that the least he would buy is 10 copies,
Well, my view on that would be that nowhere in the film does he say that this is bad. he just lets you look at that. So,
yes, but I've not gone out of my way to show him the film. But the chief reporter of Indian Express in Pune, she got in touch with me, so I gave her all the leads to him, and so she has gone and interviewed him. Yeah, so more or less what he said in the film, he's also given a very long interview supporting his views on the. Obviously, I don't think he'll even bother to admit that he's seen the film, even if I were to show it to him.
One small question and two questions. Somewhere in the beginning of the film, there's this small sequence of shots of dogs. What was that about?
Does it look like a school? When I show you this?
No, I don't know. I'm just very curious. This is
just actually at a very what shall I say, overt level. I would say, like at that point, I think it hardly looks like a school. Where there are all these German shepherds just waiting to pounce on you. Then again, if we were to go to extremes of comparing Mr. Bajaj with Mr. Hitler, then there's this whole German shepherd angle to where the young officers were asked to look after the Nazi dogs for a year.
Was this in the school?
No, this is everything that you've seen is inside the school. Yeah?
So there are these 7 dogs.
Yeah. Even more. Some had been taken for a walk.
Wow. Okay.
So it doesn't look like school.
I wish that there was more of that.
I really want to know what is it that you're trying to communicate through this movie to the audience. Why?
I think whatever you will have got is what I'm trying to communicate. I'm honest about this because or I can be harsh upon myself. I can say that if after seeing a 53-minute film, if this is the question, then I failed somewhere to communicate. But that's not the issue. But I've even been asked this question: are you promoting CCTV cameras? Or are you trying to sell them? So I guess a film is what it is to you. It'll be. Is it worth it if I just? I'm trying to say this.
Certainly, your perspective may be different from what the audience are gathering.
Absolutely. That's the whole purpose of the film. Yeah, I do not for a moment think that you should agree with my perspective. I'm sure Mr. Bajaj doesn't. And this, after telling him, I was very scared that I'll go on location with my unit. Even if there are just 3 of us, but it's still a unit. And then he says, no go, I don't allow you to shoot. So after I told him that I personally don't agree with your view, but I still like to make the film. So I said, but he was also to give the devil his due. He was very bindas about it, very open. Yeah. So he was also asking this question, where did you get to know about this? So I said, I watched television, so I saw this 1-minute clip. So I said, I'm going to make a film about it. He said, okay, not a good idea. I can't shoot for it all the time. So he was open. Then I even mentioned names. I mentioned Mr. Vijay Tendulkar's name. I said, I'll be interviewing him. And I can guarantee you that his point will be different. So you don't need that. So everything that you see is with the permission of the principal. So there's one student, one head girl, then one head boy, and the mother in between who says he is co-education producers of that. So that is all arranged by the principal. I would have gone to people's homes and interviewed some students. Everything that I have shot is in full view of the principal and his team. His cameras. Except one. Mr. Bajaj drives a Toyota Qualis, or gets driven around in a Toyota Qualis. And inside the Toyota Qualis I saw the camera. I don't know what. Doesn't trust his wife or what? Yeah, there is a camera here. So except for toilets, there are cameras everywhere. At least then there were no cameras in toilets. Yeah?
While you were doing these interviews and when you were shooting it, did you get any off-the-record reactions, true reactions?
I tried for something which I had heard of, but then I was told not to proceed. So I was not very keen on any kind of a sting operation. Yeah? So doing something for just a stand that I had taken. So there's this boy who written this poem called "Why I Hate to Go to School," and I wanted to interview that boy, etc. So I very quietly kicked off and told not to do so. And plus, he also worried they might say, "Get out of my school, then you don't have open." So then I thought about it and I let it go. So that would be one of the instances where that would be a very, very true, because I know that the boy was also publicly humiliated. See, humiliation also, you can smile and humiliate a person. You know? कि अगर आपको महेश भट्ट का है और अगर आपको विलासराव देशमुख करे, that's all public bullying. Yeah? So that day I was absolutely ripped and raped, you know, in front of the whole school. But then I landed up one day later. I did it with two ditch shoots. So that is one thing that I regret. I would have loved to have that poem. Why towards school.
Similar to what you had asked, like, did you feel that some arrangements were made only because you are making film? Like
no, nothing was. Except I'll tell you when you saw the crew shooting.
Yeah.
There was this cameraman and there's this sound recordist and there's someone else also. So that is a recording. Yeah? So since the principal kept on speaking about recordings, you know, this gets recorded, that gets recorded. So I asked him, can we have a recording of us working there? You know? So he said, yeah, why not? So hence the picture quality also all drops.
Yeah.
It's a VHS tape that we have used. So that, but I don't think it's a staging. I mean, we were actually working, and anyway, wherever we went, we were getting recorded. So we just chose this portion because this was, you know, a 1 minute piece kind of a thing. So otherwise, there's nothing that. I mean, come on, if you're waiting like this outside the principal's office, there's a camera looking at you. So there's nothing that you could do on the slide even if you wanted to.